Have you ever wondered what exactly happens to your body when you do 100 squats every day? Squats are a wonderful exercise for toning and strengthening not only your buttocks and thighs but also your abs and lower back. In this video, we'll talk about the advantages of squatting and most importantly, what happens to your body if you do 100 squats on a regular basis. Also, if this is your first time visiting the channel, remember to like and subscribe to it. Let's begin. Squats are an excellent exercise for toning and strengthening not only your buttocks and thighs but also your abdomen and lower back. Another advantage of it is that it can help you reduce lower body fat by elevating and tightening it. Squats are a compound exercise that primarily targets the muscles in your legs, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a squat, start with your feet hip-width apart, bend your knees, and lower your body as if you're sitting in an imaginary chair. Keep your core tight and your back straight to avoid injury. First 1 to 7 days of doing 100 squats. Because of the importance of back strength, core strength, and hip mobility, when you exercise by doing squats, you'll gain muscle and strength. Daily tasks will become easier as you gain strength from the increased energy and fat loss. Back squats can be difficult for beginners because your body needs time to prepare and build up its reserves of strength for them. Having strong back muscles is essential when meeting to squats so that the bar does not slip off the upper back. Keeping a hard brace in place requires strong abdominal muscles to get deep without sacrificing your hip position. You'll need to work on your hip mobility because your body needs time to prepare and build up its reserves of strength for it. Next 15 days of doing 100 squats. Newcomers to strength training should expect to see results in 4 to 8 weeks. Squatting will become much easier after the first 3 to 5 days as your buttocks become noticeably stronger. If you're overweight, you may need to lose a lot of weight before the benefits of squats become visible on your body, particularly in your glutes. Squatting alone will not help you lose weight. You must engage in some form of cardiovascular activity for at least 20 minutes most days in the week and consume fewer calories overall if you want to round or behind. You may not be able to notice daily changes in the size and contour of your muscles. Next 30 to 40 days of doing 100 squats. After 30 days of squatting, your muscles will have gained enough strength to help you slim down if you continue to measure yourself regularly. If you have noticed that the waistband of your jeans no longer sags as you sit, you are making progress and should feel good about yourself because there is less room for growth as fitness levels rise. Remember that some body types are more predisposed to gaining muscle than others. Finally, doing 100 squats per day can be an effective way to burn calories and potentially lose weight because they protect your legs and feet from harm and make you less likely to sprain your knees or ankles. Your training program strengthens the tendons, bones, and ligaments that support your leg muscles. With that, we wrap up today's video. Please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts and experience. Don't forget to like the video if you find it entertaining, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, subscribe and grow muscles with us.